I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Hi, my name is Jillian Bird. I am a senior this year. This is my second year of TAFE now, and I'm the TAFE president. For those of you who don't know what TAFE is, TAFE stands for the Texas Association of Future Educators, and it is a club for Timber Creek students who are exploring the education pathway, but it is also open for people exploring other careers as well.
Hi, my name is Taylor Thompson. I'm a senior this year. I've been in TAFE for 4 years, and I am the TAFE vice president.
Hi, my name is Hannah Buttram. I'm a senior this year at Timber Creek, and I'm the current TAFE secretary. I've been a member of TAFE for 2 years.
Hi, my name is Abby Cross, and this is my second year at TAFE. I am the travels director this year in TAFE.
Hey guys, my name is Serena Tinsley, and I am your social director and treasurer of TAFE.
You should join TAFE because our meetings are so much fun with a lot of different games to play and a lot of new friends to make.
You also get to compete against other students in a range of different competitions from around the state.
To join, log on to our Zoom call with this info. We can't wait to see you there.
Oh, hey, you. Yeah, you watching the announcements. Do you ever think to yourself, man, I really feel like donating to help people. And I also have so many unused board games, and I'm thinking of these two things at the same time. Well, man, have I got the drive for you. Because we are doing a drive currently for unused board games for the Keller Rotary Club to support ACH Family Services. So you can drop off your unused board games in the library, and I know you may think to yourself, what do I do if I'm remote? I can't support. Well, have I got news for you, remote kids. You can still get involved, and you can bring your unused board games to the front office.
Soccer tryouts are from November 30th to December 2nd from 4 to 5:30. Please wear cleats, shin guards, and bring tennis shoes. All athletes trying out must have a physical and rank 1 paperwork done. If you have any questions, please contact Coach May.
Ugh, weekends are so boring with everyone on lockdown.
I know. I wish there was something we could do that is both fun and socially distanced.
Are weekends boring with everyone on lockdown?
Yeah. That's what I just said.
Wait, who was that?
Do you wish there was something you could do that is both fun and socially distanced?
Yes, I literally just said that.
Okay, seriously, who is that?
Well, get ready for this. Timber Creek High School is having its own socially distanced Smash Brothers tournament.
You mean playing online?
No, I mean Aiimbos.
An Amiibo tournament?
Yes. Dust off your Amiibo and get training, and submit your fighter by November 20th. Place your Amiibo in a Ziploc type bag with your name and student ID number written on it. Then drop it off at room C109. That's Mr. Carrington's room.
Okay. Then what?
That's it. Matches will be recorded in a secure location and Amiibo can be reclaimed December 4th. Keep an eye out for when the matches will be available through TCTV and the Talon.
Cool.
Hi, I'm Ainsley. Did you know that over the past 5 years, TCTV has produced more than 600 videos? That's like 3,000 minutes. Why do we do it? For you. TCTV is produced by students for students. Think of it like the For You page of the school.
There's always one on there.
If there's something you want to see more of, if there's something you don't want to see,
I hate you.
If there's an event you want to be covered, or an idea you have for the announcements, let us know by sending us an email. Stay safe, Falcons.